Hello everyone, welcome to DMVII highlights for December 9th, 2017. Keep in mind, stocks and strategies discussed here are for information only. Do not treat any information provided here as investment advice or recommendation. It is up to the individual investor to perform due diligence prior to investing in any company. And here are the symbols covered this week. Feel free to pause the video and look up the symbols to learn more about the underlying businesses. On the macro highlights, international trade for October showed a deficit increase by nearly 12% to trade balance level of minus $48.7 billion. EIA Petroleum Status reported crude oil inventory decreased by 5.6 million barrels, gasoline inventory increased by 6.8 million barrels, and distillates inventory increased by 1.7 million barrels. Refineries operating at 93.8%. Jobless claims down 0.8% this week to 236,000 claims. On the employment data, non-farm payrolls rose by 228,000. That is 12.6% lower month over month, but still 28% higher year over year. Unemployment rate and participation rate stayed flat at 4.1% and 62.7% respectively. On the stocks highlights this week, Dow Jones Industrial Average stayed flat, S&P 500 up 0.4%, Nasdaq Composite up 0.8%. Financial sector led the other sectors with 1.16% gain, while healthcare sector lagged with 1.65% loss. Electronic Arts Star Wars Battlefront 2's microtransaction system received significant backlash from the gaming community. The microtransaction system is labeled as a pay-to-win system, even though the game itself has a regular price of $60. Stock went down nearly 10% in November. Stocks up 3.64% this week. AMD announced that they are working with Qualcomm Technologies to deploy Ryzen mobile processors with Qualcomm Snapdragon LTE modem solution for notebooks. AMD also announced that the first public cloud instances powered by AMD EPYC processor has been deployed by Microsoft Azure in its data centers. AMD stock down 1.8% this week. Elon Musk confirmed this week that Tesla is developing its own AI chip, led by Jim Keller, a former lead architect of AMD KA microarchitecture. And this concludes this week's highlights. Share, thumbs up, and subscribe to support us here. Thank you for watching.